Ladies and gentlemen, we have an unexpected video because this is a no face introduction. This is the first time ever where we have no face, just my hands. And we have this company, as you can see right here, FIFINE. So this company actually reached out to me recently because they have this awesome USB microphone kit T683 that they wanted to send to me to do an honest review as to how it works and whether or not this might be good for you guys to include in your YouTube setup, whether it's for podcasting, gaming, or even for just general conference calls. All right, so without further ado, I'm going to unbox this real time with you guys and give you guys my honest thoughts. We're just gonna go here, and mind you, I am not unboxing pro, okay? So don't judge me too hard, but we're going to open this up like so. You guys probably can see better than I can. But basically what we got here is we just have some instructions. So this is just kind of like an instruction handbook on how to kind of set everything up, which is super convenient. We love that. All right, and then it comes in this nice kind of padded black packaging, which is awesome. So we're just going to take this off right now, and look at this, you guys. This is insane. For just the price of $70, that's what's showing right now on Amazon, you get a microphone, you get a pop filter, you get a boom arm, and you get a shock mount, all for $70. Now, as long as this microphone sounds good, I feel like this is like the best deal you could possibly get. Because think about it, the microphone I'm using right now to actually record this video is a Shure MV7. The microphone alone costs $250. The boom arm costs like $127. The pop filter costs $16. That's well over $300, possibly even reaching close to $400. So you either have a $400 setup, which is everything that you need right here, for just $70. Okay, so I'm already excited, as you can tell, about opening this up and really seeing if this could be a great starter kit for any of your YouTube recording, gaming, and web conferencing needs. I'll get this set up and then I'll get back to you guys as to checking out the sound quality and kind of how it looks when it's all set up. All right, you guys, so I just finished setting up this awesome USB microphone kit T683, and honestly, you guys, it's not really that complicated to set up. The boom arm, it's just right here. You just plug it in the little pocket and then you can screw it on your table. The actual pop filter, that just slides on the top and it's just rubber, as you can see right here, that's holding it on there. For the shock mount, super easy. You just need to make sure you face it this way. It also shows you in the instructions. And then there's a little screw that you can screw underneath it. You just plug it in right here, and then you can either do USB or USB-C plug into your device, depending on if you have a Mac or Windows. So they really suit both needs. In terms of the actual microphone itself, you just have a little dial on the front to increase and decrease how much of the actual audio you can hear through your microphone. So this is how the USB microphone kit T683 sounds right now. So now I want to show you guys how to actually set up this microphone if you are trying to figure that out after you have it all plugged in. Just a disclaimer, you guys, when I did have this microphone plugged in, pretty much it was already synced up, so I didn't have to actually do anything, but they do have instructions in here if you are trying to figure out how to sync it up to your PC or a Mac. Type in sound right down here. Next, what you need to do is you just need to find the FIFINE 683 microphone, which is this awesome microphone right here. Click on it. Then you could say set default, apply, and OK. And then you should be good to go. Also, in terms of actually getting this to configure in OBS, all you have to do is hit add, then go to audio input capture, and then you could hit OK. Then it's going to ask you to pick it. It's just going to be the microphone FIFINE 683. And then once you have that added, you can hit OK. I didn't hit OK because I already have it set right here. Then if you right click and go into filters, you can add noise compression, compressor, gain, limiter, just to really optimize the full sound quality of this microphone. Okay, so just make sure to set it to these settings. I have noise suppression higher quality, compressor is set to this, gain is set to 7 decibels. Again, you have to talk in the front part of the microphone. If you talk behind it or on the side, it's not going to pick up the audio as well. So this is a front-facing type of microphone. Next, we have the limiter. In case there is too loud of noise happening into the microphone, this is going to make sure that is avoided. And once that is all set for OBS, you should be good to go for any type of streaming. If you're doing tutorials like myself, you can do that as well. But this is a really great microphone for the price, and it comes with everything for $70. You guys, like, that's insane. All right, so I want to show you guys real quick how this microphone sounds in comparison to the Shure MV7. Right now, now you are hearing the USB microphone kit T683, and this is a sound quality to see how this microphone sounds. Moving on to the Shure MV7. Now we are testing the Shure MV7 to see how this microphone sounds in comparison to the USB microphone kit T683. What did you guys think? Did you notice a huge sound difference between both the microphones? If you didn't, you might really find interest in actually getting this setup for just $70, because the other setup is around $400+ for the entire setup. And if this one sounds great, why would you bother with the other setup? Plus, it comes with a shock mount. And you guys, I don't even have a shock mount yet in my other setup. So this is great. It's all in one package, super easy to set up. They got awesome instructions if you are ever lost on how to set it up. It's super easy to install. You have a simple configuration on the front. Once you plug it in, it's pretty much enabled. If it's not enabled, again, in the instructions, they will have that for you. So my honest thoughts about this is I think it's an amazing deal, especially if you are interested in getting a microphone for either YouTube streaming, podcast, whether it's for a conference call, whatever it may be. This is an awesome budget-friendly option for an all-in-one setup that you can have for just $70. So a big shout out goes to FinePine for actually sending this microphone to me for free to give you guys a review on what I think about this microphone. If you guys are interested in getting it, I'll have a link to it in the description below. But if you guys did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you could subscribe, I would greatly appreciate the support. And without further ado, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Thanks.